My name is Hilda Piri Daka. I am the Provincial Resource Center Coordinator for Luapula Province. This workshop which we had with Genius Zambia, it was very fruitful. Actually, I learned a lot. I see that the fourth industrial revolution really is going to be doing something that is going to be very beneficial for our learners in future.
My name is Mr. Christian Swedi from Mansa College of Education, and one of the participants at the Genius Education. This meeting has been very fruitful. I've learned a lot. Technology now is the way to go. We will not do anything unless we invest a lot in technology, gadgets to do with ICT.
My name is Luapula. I'm a teacher of mathematics and chemistry. In attending a workshop that has been organized by Genius. So under the program, there was a number of activities that were lined up, especially to do with the introduction of the new STEM curriculum. So a number of things were learned, and the experience has been so overwhelming.
I'm Mr. Chimba Katungo, based at Stamba Secondary School, and I'm one of the coordinators innovations at the provincial level in JETS. From this workshop, which we have learned a lot of things, which I hope that if the curriculum is taken up, help our pupils in our schools so that they can prove hands-on activity in their schools, so that in future they can also be innovative and also have a bright future, so that when they finish schools, they will have something to depend on.